Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust volume in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we will be needing to open our app. We click on edits and from here it will take you to this projects panel, and in my case I'm just going to create a new project so we can start adjusting the volume of our video. So we can choose any video from here. And in my case, I'm just going to choose this one because this is the only one that contains audio. I'm going to click on done. And here it is loading the media. You can simply start seeing the bottom toolbar that will be showing. And you can see that there are many of them. And there is nothing concerning the volume of your video. That's because you will be needing to select first your media, either it is an image or an audio or even a video. You will be needing first to click on the element, and then it will give you some panel or another toolbar concerning these specific elements. Here we will see already the volume option, and we will need to click on it. And basically you will be needing to simply scrolling through this bar, and then you can click on done. After that, you can click on the preview and you can listen to the volume of your video until you get the desired result. After doing that, you will be needing to add all the additional transformation that you want to do on your video. For example, adjusting the coloring. You can also add some effects to your video or anything. So after you finish, you will be needing to simply export your video, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.